In this video, I will guide you on how to remove a payout account from a Facebook page. First, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Make sure that you have switched to your page. Now tap on the professional dashboard option. On the home page, you want to scroll down a bit, and here under monetize, you should be able to find the option of payout. Go ahead and select that. Here, you should be able to find your payout information. Make sure there are no pending earnings or payment associated with the account you want to remove. If Facebook doesn't provide a direct option to remove the payout account, you'll need to contact Meta support. To contact support, you want to tap on the menu icon. Then from here, select the option of help and support, then tap on report a problem. Tap on continue to report a problem. Now you can select either include or don't include. Now go ahead and select the payout or payments option, then enter your issue here. You can record screen or upload a photo. Now send this to the customer support. In this way, you can remove a payout account from Facebook page. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.